Unlike traditional umbrellas, this one folds up in reverse to give you extra protection from the elements. Hi, my name is Brittany, and today we're checking out the Shed Rain Unbelievabrella Crook Handle Auto Open Umbrella. It features a 48-inch canopy, giving you a nice area to stay dry under. The canopy is made from polyester with black outer panels and a colored interior. Choose from navy, black, red, or ocean. It has an auto-open close design with a sturdy steel shaft and fiberglass ribs, and it's complete with a curved wooden handle. But the best part is the reverse folding feature. This helps keep you dry when closing it. It also makes it easier getting indoors. Your logo shows up as a one-color imprint on one panel. It's the Shed Rain Unbelievabrella Crook Handle Auto Open Umbrella from 4imprint. Thanks for watching the video. If you'd like to see more from 4imprint, take a look at our recent uploads, related videos, and our website, 4imprint.com.